What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be drawing m3GAN 2.0. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small circle in the center of each eye for the pupils. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's add some thick lashes around the top of the eye. We're going to start from the left side, curve this up, come down, and then up towards a point. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's bend this down and then in towards the side of the eyes. And we'll go back and fill the inside of the lashes in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting on the left, curve this down and bend that up. Let's move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. And then we're going to add in the eyebrows. Let's start on the inside on the left, angle this up across the eye, and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's flatten off the end with a straight line going up. And then we're going to taper out towards a point, towards the outside. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now with the mouth, we're just going to draw the center seam. Starting on the left, we'll curve this up and then down. In the center, step up and draw a small V for the lip. On the left side, bend this out and then down toward the left and right side. Now we're going to come back to the mouth after we've drawn in the hair. So in the center, let's move up towards the top in the center. Start with a point. And I want to brush the hair going around the eyes, down, and then out. So we're going to start with the left side. Going up, come down around the eyelash, come down the side, and then bend that out. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Going up, across the eyelash, come down, and then bend that out. Now we're going to go back to the corners of the mouth. We want to tear open the jaw. Let's start on the left. We're just going to angle these out, these little points. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom, I'm just going to curve the head, going out, and just tuck that up underneath the hair on the left and right side. And now we're going to add a scar going across the face. Let's start underneath the eye. Just going to add these little jagged lines coming down. Taper that back up underneath. Now let's go to the top of the forehead on the right and do the same thing. Just breaking up the head. Just working our way across along the bottom. Now just underneath the head, we're going to draw a curve for the collar. Starting on the left, then it's across, and then up. Now in the center, we're going to draw two lines coming down for the spine. Add some texture inside with these curves starting from the top and then working our way down. Let's add a few loose wires going on either side. And we're going to fill the gaps in between in black. Let's go over towards the right side. We're going to add the knot of the bow with two curves on either side, around at the bottom. Now from the bottom corner, let's add the bottom of the bow coming down and in, go up and then back out. Let's go over towards the right corner and do the same thing, going across the side, bend this up and then in. From the side of the knot, let's add a fold. Let's go back over towards the left side, add a curve coming down and then in towards the side of the bow and up towards the right. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start on the left, bend this out and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right. Now the bottom of the skirt, we're going to go out and then down toward the left. Now on the right side, we're going to come a little bit lower, coming straight down. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now let's tuck the legs in underneath, leaving a gap in the center. Go to the right side, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the heel. Let's move over towards the left, we're just going to angle this out towards the left heel. And then you want to round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the right, going down and up. Then on the left side, we'll do the same thing. Let's curve the top of the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down towards the heel. And then along the bottom, we're going to add a thick sole. So we're just going to follow that same curve going across on both sides. Let's go to the top of the foot. We're going to add a strap coming in and then down. Now from the sole, we're going to step up and add another curve coming in towards that strap. Let's move back up and draw the outside of the leg, starting on the left. We're going to bend this out and then down on top of the foot. Come straight down on the right. Now with the arm on the right, we're just going to bend this in towards the hip. So let's start from the hip. We're going to bend this up and then out. Step back, draw a straight angled line coming in towards the side of the body. Let's go up underneath the scarf, underneath the head. Curve the arm going out and then down towards the elbow. Bend the arm coming down and then in towards the wrist. Let's add the sleeve, bend this up and then in. Now from the bottom of the sleeve, we're just going to draw the edge of the palm coming down and in. Step back, draw the finger, curling this in towards the side. Now I want to tear the arm on the left across the elbow. So we're going to start from the head, bend this down and then out. Let's add a curve coming in and then down. Bend the arm coming in towards the body. Let's add some wires. Starting from the top, bend this around, flatten off the end, trace this back up. Now I'm just going to continue down towards the bottom, just layering in these wires. Now these 2 points in the arm, we're just going to layer this in behind the wires, and then we'll fill the inside of the arm in black. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and finish off the hair. Let's start with a straight line from the center going up towards the top of the head. Now we're going to draw on the outside. Let's start with the left. We're going to go up, come all the way around, and then down. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Let's bend the hair back out. Going out, round this out, and then come in. Now on the left side, we're going to step out, curve this in, bend this out towards a point. Now I just want to curve this back in behind the body, over on the right side and tuck that in. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw M3GAN 2.0. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.